Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. Thanks for watching these videos. Nowadays, more and more companies are using internet as a powerful platform in order to sell products and service, spread brand images or contact with the customers. No matter small and medium enterprise or international well-known company, a well-designed website as a company first impression will not only increase its revenue, but also creates a professional brand image in customers' perspective. Otherwise, poor design website will damage company's reputation and lose customers' interests. So that this video is going to briefly critical a local Chinese takeaway restaurant website which is called the Jade Garden in 3 areas: aesthetic design, usability, and user interface design. And then I will objectively list some constructive suggestions with the purpose of improving website on each area. Firstly, I am going to talk about the background of this website. The website I will critical is jadegarden.ie, which is a Chinese restaurant located in Dongdong Town Center. It provides extensive Chinese cuisines. The target customers is people who live in or near Dongdong and love Chinese food. There are mainly 2 basic selling channels: takeaway or eat-in. Restaurant has its own website which is used for ordering takeaway food and viewing menus. More than 60% revenues are coming from eat-in customers. Restaurant did not use any third-party takeaway platform, such as justeat.ie, and its website seems like not very popular for customers. Back to our topics. The first thing I will going to talk about is the user interface design. The user interface design focuses on predicting what users might want to do and ensuring that the interface elements are easy to access, understand, and useful. And there are 5 factors should be considered during designing website: simplicity, consistency, layout, color and texture, hierarchy, and clarity. And here you can say it's the home page of the Jade Garden. The main navigation bar is along the top of the website with basic function: home, restaurant menu, takeaway menu, location, and gallery. And this is a good place for ease of sight when first entering the website, and they are used very clearly and basic elements. And the quick access bar and the quick access taskbar will also appear at the bottom of the website, which I am going to show you. It's in there, and it's exactly same as the navigation bar at the top of this website. And it will make users easy to access each page when they scroll from top of the bottom. And the restaurant and takeaway menu option both include side options such as starter menu from starter menu and to the other drinks, and as well as the takeaway menu. You can say there's a lot of set options in there, and it will provide users convenience to view menu more specifically. And websites also present the restaurant map at the middle of the pages for customers who prefer it in, and there's the exactly location of the Jade Garden, 24 Park Street, Dongdong, County Laos, and it also lists the restaurant booking number and the takeaway number as well as the website address. However, which is the first disadvantage of this homepage that I observe, in there, the navigation of other restaurants should not be displayed in a very prominent position, because users might improperly get access to the other restaurant, and there is no information to tell users they are the link to the other restaurant. To be honest, the first time I get access in this homepage, and the first navigation bar that I noticed is this one, and then I just easily click one of the restaurant, for example, the Main Garden, and it bring me to exactly different restaurant that I don't want to go, because I just want to ordering some food in Jade Garden, and this disadvantage is really uncomfortable for me as a user. And the other advantage is the unnecessary oversized picture force users must scroll to the bottom page for viewing menu, location, and gallery. For example, when I get access the gallery, so you can say big Chinese stone structure is, and then I have to scroll to the bottom of the pages, and so that I can see the pictures of the Jade Garden, and as well as the restaurant menu. For example, I go to the main courses, so you can say a very oversized pictures in there. And my suggestion is to remove these big pictures, and the other restaurant navigation bar in there from its currently position should be move and redesign the gallery layout. The gallery layout. And create several albums and collect each of the photos into its relevant album. Remove oversized photos or use them as background under those pages. And the next part I will going to talk about is the usability. Usability is how easy and objective it is to use. As a restaurant website, users will usually visit it with the purpose of booking stays or ordering food. Each page is clearly presented on homepage as well as restaurant location and phone number, so that it is learnable and memorable. Even for a new user to find information they need. So in the navigation bar, you can easily get information from the restaurant menu, takeaway, or location, or gallery, and sort of things. However, inefficiently long and narrow menu list without any food pictures make users hardly to seek out which cuisine they want. So you can say there are a lot of dishes in this menu list, and there's no picture, no ingredients, and no recommendations. No recommendations for vegetarian or for Muslim people or sort of things, and it might influence the satisfaction of the users, and it's my opinion. Instead of terrible menu usability, my advice is to design an efficient menu customizing system. Firstly, you choose your meal, for example, the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, etc., or the afternoon tea. Then a category, and you are presented with the options within that category. At any time, it's easy to refine your selection or change things up. In addition to this, marking each vegetarian dish for users with different dining habits to improve the satisfaction. And the last thing I will going to talk about is the aesthetic design. Yes, visual appeal is important, but that's not the highest priority, and we must understand that everyone has different tastes, preferences, and likes. A website can be viewed as if it were a picture. It needs to look balanced and pleasing. Colors and fonts need to emphasize with the theme of the site and not be centers of attention themselves. Page background need to be subdued such that they act as frames for the text and graphics without overpowering and controlling the pages. A website uses black background with gold Italiano font families. I hope I pronounce it right. Italiano. So when I double click and go to check, Sorry, I just have to select one of the font. Oh yeah, not in there. Let me just go to the main course. Yeah, select one of the word. Where are you? It's in there, Glanius, and with gold colored Glanius font family at home page, for emphasis, a classical and graceful atmosphere. Open Sans is used for main text, which I am going to show you. First left, closest. This is the Open Sans font, and with the black background, and this is a very good contrast. Pictures on homepage, however, pictures on homepage are quite monotony. Why not attach some delicious food for attracting customers? Maybe paste chef and waiter's photo with professional and clean uniform, and they are smiling to customers, and I believe this will also improve the website looking. Some short videos about the restaurant facilities or food are more persuasiveness than still images. So my recommendation is to post some photos of the chefs or the waiters, or even add some short videos of the restaurants, and this is going to attract the customers more than those still images. In conclusion, the overall appearance, usability, and interaction design of Jade Garden are above the average. Users can quickly access information they need. In another word, this website has successfully satisfied the basic demands, basic needs of the customers for the information that they want. However, there are a lot of things, and there are quite large space that the homepage and the website should be improved. For example, why don't you just post some like the receipt of the Chinese dishes, or some recommendation of the Chinese dishes, and you can also post some history of the Chinese cuisine at the homepage, and I believe this will attract the customers, and they maybe want to try some dishes on your restaurant, and so that the revenue will going to be increased. Anyway, thanks for watching my evaluation of the website Jade Gardens. My name is Daniel. Thank you.